Ever wondered how to overcome the challenges of growing vegetables indoors? Ever pondered the idea of cultivating your own fresh organic produce right in the comfort of your own home? In today's urban environment, space is a premium. But what if we could turn that disadvantage into an advantage? What if we could transform that small indoor space into a lush green vegetable garden? It may seem like a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and a little bit of patience, anyone can do it. Step 1. Choose the right vegetables. Not all vegetables are suited for indoor gardening. Some require a lot of space, while others need specific temperature conditions. For beginners, choose vegetables that are known to thrive indoors. These include greens like lettuce, spinach and kale, as well as herbs like basil, parsley and chives. Step 2. Get the right containers. The size of the container will depend on the type of vegetable you're growing. Greens usually require shallow containers, while root vegetables like radishes and carrots need deeper ones. Ensure that the containers have adequate drainage to prevent waterlogging. Step 3. Choose the right soil. Not just any soil will do. For indoor gardening, opt for a high-quality potting mix. This type of soil is lighter and more porous, which allows for better root growth and water drainage. Step 4. Plant your seeds. Follow the instructions on the seed packet for planting depth and spacing. After planting, lightly cover the seeds with soil and water them. Step 5. Provide adequate light. Vegetables need a lot of light to grow. If you don't have a sunny window, consider investing in grow lights. These can provide the necessary light spectrum for plant growth. Step 6. Water and fertilize regularly. Overwatering is a common mistake in indoor gardening. To avoid this, water only when the top 1 inch of soil feels dry to the touch. And remember, indoor plants need nutrients too. Use an organic fertilizer to feed your plants every 2 to 4 weeks. Step 7. Monitor and harvest. Keep an eye on your plants. If you see any signs of disease or pests, address them immediately. And when your vegetables are ready, harvest them. The more you harvest, the more they'll produce. So to recap, start by choosing the right vegetables and containers. Then, select the right soil and plant your seeds. Provide adequate light and water, and don't forget to fertilize. Finally, monitor your plants and harvest as needed. With these steps, anyone can turn their indoor space into a thriving vegetable garden. It's all about understanding the basics and applying them correctly. So why not give it a try? The rewards of fresh, homegrown vegetables are well worth it.